Hello and welcome. In this podcast, we will be focusing on a couple of the specialist services we provide: asset protection and forensic accounting. Let's start by talking about asset protection. I'm in the early stages of my business, so I don't think this really applies to me.
Asset protection refers to all assets regardless of value, from any property you own to your own personal possessions. Writing a will, for example, ensures that any assets you have go to your next of kin, either directly or in trust if you die.
That's a little morbid.
It really is no different than talking about pensions or life insurance. It's just about planning for that future event.
What is inheritance tax?
This is the tax payable by a person's estate if the value of their assets exceeds a certain threshold.
Would my estate be liable for inheritance tax?
It depends on a number of factors: the type of asset, how the asset is owned, and of course the value of that asset. Pensions and life insurance are typically held in trust, which means it doesn't form part of your estate for tax purposes.
Joint assets like bank accounts or property automatically pass to the surviving partner. The inheritance tax threshold changes regularly and is currently set at £325,000 up until April 2016.
How much would my estate pay if my assets exceeded this threshold when I die?
The current rate of tax is 40% of the value of any assets in excess of the threshold. There are a number of ways to reduce this liability, such as spousal exemption, charity donations, or business tax relief should you wish to pass your business on as a going concern.
There are a number of factors which will influence our guidance and advice, so it's very much a one-to-one conversation. Have you set up a power of attorney?
What is power of attorney?
A lasting power of attorney enables you to appoint one or more people to act on your behalf in the event that you are unable to act for yourself. So if you have an accident or develop an illness and you are unable to make decisions when they need to be made,
your attorneys can act on your behalf. There are two types of LPAs, one relating to health and welfare and the other one relating to financial affairs and property.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about forensic accounting.
forensic means suitable for use in a court of law. We are often called upon as expert witnesses in legal cases. It is a very specialised area of accountancy which requires strong analytical thinking and the ability to interpret, summarise and present financial issues in an understandable format.
When might I have the need for a forensic accountant?
Hopefully you won't. Usually, you will need the services of a forensic accountant when there's a legal dispute. Financial crime, business collapse, or fraud are typical examples of when you may need to employ these services.
The complex legal and accounting issues are often intertwined. The cost associated with bringing together a team of experts is high and can be exceptionally time-consuming. A-Kounts and our accountancy and legal partners are on hand to provide a one-stop solution for your needs in this respect.
It does provide great peace of mind that you could assist me in the event of an HMRC investigation.
We are pretty unique in terms of the range of services and solutions we offer. We take supporting our clients in the event of an HMRC investigation very seriously. In theory, small businesses that keep good records and declare everything should have nothing to fear.
Sometimes, however, there may be a random trigger, or large fluctuations in your accounts from one year to the next may also sound alarm bells with the HMRC. In the case of an investigation, we provide you with the expert advice and best way forward to achieve your desired outcome.